If you've been watching Claude evolve, you might have missed a quiet but important change. Claude's Excel add-in used to be locked behind an $80 to $200 a month plan. Now, it's included in Claude Pro for $20. If you spend real time in spreadsheets, that shift matters. Claude in Excel is Anthropic's official Excel add-in. It lives directly inside Excel as a sidebar, not a browser tab, not a copy-paste workflow. Claude can actually read your open workbook, the cells, the formulas, the tab structure, everything. When it explains something, it references specific cells so you can verify the work. When it makes changes, it highlights exactly what it touched and why. It doesn't feel magical, it feels practical. That's why I'm using it more for real marketing work. Drop in a campaign performance export and ask direct questions. Where did CPA spike? Where did spend go up while CTR dropped? Which campaigns drove the most ROAS? Claude answers and points you straight back to the data. Budget modeling is where it really clicks. You can build quarterly models with multiple scenarios, and the formulas actually hold together. For data cleaning, it handles the boring stuff fast. Standardizing dates, splitting names, flagging duplicates, work that used to take hours now takes minutes. People ask how this compares to Copilot. Copilot's fine, but it forces OneDrive and autosave. Claude keeps your file local, gives you more control, and costs less. $20 a month versus $30 per user. There are limits. No VBA, no macros, no data validation rules, and chat history doesn't persist. For most marketing spreadsheets, that's not a deal breaker. One thing you shouldn't ignore is security. Only use Claude in Excel with trusted spreadsheets. Prompt injection is real, and malicious instructions can hide inside cells. If you didn't create the file, be cautious. Claude in Excel went from interesting but overpriced to already included in what I'm paying. If you want to get more out of it, download our Claude Excel prompts and subscribe to the newsletter for practical AI workflows, prompts, and what's actually working right now.